Welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see how to integrate Google Search Console in Google Analytics. But before we integrate Search Console in Google Analytics, we will see what is Search Console. So if you type what is Google Search Console, you will find this link. And if I click on this link about Search Console, so here it says Google Search Console is a free service offered by Google that helps you monitor, maintain, and troubleshoot your site's presence in Google search results. So you can go through this document if you want, but basically Google search helps you to check your website how it is performing on Google. So now we need to add property in search console. So I'll go to a new tab and here I'll write Google search console. So this is the first link, search.google.com. So I need to click on this and here we need to click on start now. So there are two options you can select. Either you can select domain or you can select URL prefix. So I'll select this and here we need to add our URL. So my URL is bestcomputerchess.in. So here I'll paste it and I'll click on continue. Here we need to click on go to property. Welcome to new Google Search Console. Okay, let's click on start. So this is the overview. You can just click on got it and you can cancel this as well. So make sure that the Gmail ID is the same which we have used in analytic. Okay, so here you can see my Gmail ID is same. I have logged in through the same Gmail ID. Okay, now we need to go to settings and here it says ownership verification. You are a verified owner. So in my case, my ownership is verified, but if you see that your ownership is not verified, then you need to click here. Okay. So additional verification method. There are four methods which you can verify your ownership. The first one is through HTML file. You can upload an HTML file to your website. Okay. So if I click on this arrow, so here you can download the file and then you can upload through and you can upload it on your website through cPanel. Okay, so this is something very technical, so we can ignore this. And the second method is HTML tag. So this is simple one. I'll show you how to verify your ownership through HTML tag. There are two more options, Google Tag Manager and Domain Name Provider. But we will see what how we can verify our website through HTML tag. So copy the meta tag below and paste it on your site homepage. It should go in the head section before the first body section. So this is the meta tag for verification. So let's copy this tag and now I'll go to my admin section. My website is on WordPress. So here I am in my plugin section and I clicked on add new. So here I have installed one plugin which is header and footer script. Okay, I have already installed and activated it. So if your website is on WordPress, so you can do the same. You can go to plugin section and click on add new plugin and you can search for header and footer script. And this is the plugin which you need to install and activate. Okay, so once this is activated, you can go to settings and here there's an option for header and footer script. So you need to click on this. Here in the header, you need to paste that meta tag. Okay, and we need to click on save settings. Once this is saved, then again we need to come here and we need to verify this. So let's click on verify. So verification successful. So you are a verified owner. HTML tag successfully verified. So in this way you can verify the ownership. So once this is done, you need to go to Google Analytics account and here you need to click on acquisitions and here you can see the option of search console. So let's click on this and let's click on landing page. So here you can see there is no data because we have still not link our search console to our Google Analytics account. So if you click on any option, you will not find the data. Okay, if you click on queries, you will not find the data. So you can set up your search console data sharing from here, but there is one more option where you can connect both this platform, which is admin. So once I click on admin, so in this section you can find all products. So you need to click on all products, and you can see there are different products of Google here, but we need search console. So at the bottom there is search console. So here we need to click on link search console. So once you click this, you will end up on this page and you need to click on add. It will ask you to verify the Gmail ID. So I am using this Gmail ID for my search console as well as for my analytics. So I'll click on next. So if you are using different Gmail ID for search console, so you need to select that, but I'll recommend use the same Gmail ID. Okay. So here I need to enter my password. So here it says enable search console data in Google Analytics. Web property is best computer chairs link site. This site is not linked to any web property in Google Analytics account. So there is only one option, which is bestcomputerchairs.in. So if you have multiple websites, so it will show you multiple options. So you need to select which website you want to connect. Okay, so I wanted to connect bestcomputerchairs.in, and here I will click on save. Okay, so click on OK. So now if I go to Google Analytics and if I click on done, okay, so let's click on save. It is giving a message of success. So now we have connected our search console in Google Analytics. So let's go to home, and now let's click on acquisition, and here we need to click on search console, and then we can click on landing page. So now you can see uh, first there was no data, but still it is showing no data because right now we have connected and it will take some time to fetch the data. Okay, so if I click on queries, so this is very important, queries. So here you can see the keywords, which keyword is ranking on Google. So this is very important section. Okay, for the queries I'll show you one more Google Analytics account where I'll show you the keyword which are ranking for my website. But before that, let's see what email I got. Okay, improve search console. Okay, so you will also get this kind of email, is now associated with Google Analytics property best computer chess. Okay, so this is the confirmation from Google that it is now connected. So I'll go to my other Google Analytics account. So this is my website, nstinfotech.com, and here if I click on acquisition and if I click on search console and if I click on queries, so now these are the keyword which are ranking. Suppose this is the keyword, and if I copy this, so here you can see there are 3 clicks, impression of 14, and the CTR is 21.43%, means click through rate. So if I go on new tab and if I search this keyword, so this is the first, uh, it shows on the first page. Okay, if I click here, so my keyword is ranking on the first page and I'm getting this clicks. Okay, so till now I got 3 clicks. Similarly, these are the keywords which are ranking, but there are no clicks for this keyword. But you can see in queries the keywords which have been uh, doing well or not doing well on Google. Okay, so if I click on landing page, so you can see your data here as well. So these are the pages, impression, this URL, this page is having this much of impression, this page is having this much of impression. Okay, So all the data, click is also there, how many clicks we get. Okay, here you can see 10 clicks. So in this way, you can analyze the data through Search Console. So if I go back to my account, so in this way, we have connected the Search Console in our Google Analytics account, and you don't need to come here and you need to check the performance. You can directly check it from here. So this is it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.